Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The Best Buff Baby Speed Bag is probably one of the most versatile and effective pieces of home fitness equipment you can add to your workout routine, designed to help you build explosive power, improve hand-eye coordination, and enhance cardiovascular endurance all at the same time, making it an excellent choice for athletes and fitness enthusiasts looking to take their training to the next level. Number 5. AMACOOL Battery-Operated Stroller Fan. This mini fan features a flexible tripod, making it easy to attach to strollers, cribs, or car seats. It ensures a cool and comfortable ride for your little one, especially during car journeys. Direct the airflow exactly where you need it with 360-degree adjustability. Choose from 3 different speeds to create the perfect cooling breeze, all while operating quietly. With a built-in rechargeable battery, enjoy hours of cooling on the go. It's easily charged via USB, making it an essential companion for trips to the park or Disneyland. The fan cover is designed to keep tiny fingers safe from the blades. Plus, with 3 LED light settings, it provides a comforting glow for your baby in the dark. Engineered with a sturdy, flexible tripod, this fan is designed for repeated use. We ensure a cool and worry-free summer with a 12-month replacement warranty. What we like. This fan offers unparalleled flexibility with its unique tripod design, allowing you to attach it anywhere. If you need to keep your baby cool in a car seat or a stroller, especially when they are facing backward, this is your go-to solution. Its versatile mounting options make it a lifesaver for comfortable rides. What people say. The Speed Bag is well made and durable, perfect for intense training sessions. It has a great bounce and responsiveness, making it ideal for improving hand speed and coordination. The size and weight are just right for home use, providing a challenging yet manageable workout. Number 4. WiHoo Portable Stroller Fan. Keep your little one safe with our upgraded fan. The narrow grid gap prevents tiny fingers from getting hurt, ensuring peace of mind during outdoor strolls. Our fan features an upgraded tripod with a silicone-wrapped aluminum rod for a secure and stable mount. The aerodynamic blades ensure optimal air circulation for a comfortable environment. Enjoy personalized cooling with its 360 degrees rotating head and 3 adjustable wind speeds. Find the perfect angle and breeze to keep your baby comfortable, no matter the temperature. Stay powered up with its versatile USB or rechargeable battery operation. It offers long working hours on a single charge and can be conveniently powered by various devices. This fan is incredibly versatile, serving as a desk fan, handheld fan, or stroller accessory. Its flexible tripod allows you to attach it anywhere, making it essential for travel and everyday use. Perfect for strollers, cribs, and car seats, it's a must-have for summer outings. It's also ideal for use in a baby's room or even during labor and delivery. What we like. Experience extended cooling with this fan's impressive battery life, lasting up to 11 hours. If you're looking for a reliable cooling solution for long outings or travel, this is an excellent choice. Its upgraded safety features and sturdy tripod ensure peace of mind and consistent performance. What people say. The Speed Bag is well made and durable. It has a good rebound and is responsive to punches. The size is perfect for home use and training. Number 3. Sukeen 4-Pack Cooling Towels. Experience immediate cooling with our advanced mesh fabric. It's designed to keep you comfortable and refreshed, no matter the activity. Just soak, wring, and snap to activate. These towels provide up to 3 hours of cooling, perfect for any situation. Wear it your way, as a headscarf, headband, or mask. Its generous size and multiple colors make it suitable for everyone, including pets. Whether you're running, golfing, or camping, these towels are essential for staying cool during intense workouts or outdoor adventures. Get a pack of 4, complete with storage pouches and clips. It's the perfect solution for keeping everyone cool and relaxed. Enjoy effective cooling without any chemicals. Our towels use the power of evaporation to keep you comfortable and safe. What we like. Achieve instant cooling with these advanced fabric towels that activate with just water. If you're an athlete, outdoor enthusiast, or simply need relief from the heat, these are perfect. The value pack ensures you always have one ready for any activity or need. What people say. The speed bag is well made and durable. It has a good bounce and responsiveness, making it great for training. The size is perfect for home use and doesn't take up too much space. Number 2. Lamaze Mortimer the Moose. Introducing Mortimer the Moose, a super soft companion your baby will love to touch and snuggle. It's the perfect fun toy for little ones. His squeaker tummy helps develop auditory awareness and keeps your baby entertained. The soft, teethable antlers are also perfect for soothing sore gums. Explore his colorful satin legs and the multiple textures on his hooves. They make fun crinkly and jingling sounds that babies adore. The activity legs and crinkle hooves encourage your baby to explore. This stimulates their tactile senses for engaging playtime. It easily hooks onto strollers, carriers, and diaper bags. This makes it a convenient clip-on toy for fun wherever you go. What we like. This adorable plush toy is designed for sensory exploration and comfort. If you're looking for a toy that entertains and soothes your baby, this is a great pick. Its clip-on feature makes it perfect for on-the-go fun, keeping your little one engaged during stroller rides. What people say. The speed bag is well made and durable. It has a good bounce and responsiveness for training. The size is perfect for developing hand speed and coordination. Number 1. Heavy-Duty Speed Bag Platform Kit. Introducing our Heavy-Duty Speed Bag Platform Kit, designed to enhance your boxing and fitness routine. Perfect for enthusiasts looking to improve their skills at home. Customize your workout experience with adjustable height settings. It can be raised up to 8 inches in 2 increments, ensuring it fits your individual needs perfectly. Experience professional-grade design with a 24-inch diameter board, 1.5 inches thick for superior stabilization. This ensures a consistent and effective training session every time. Everything you need is in the box. This kit includes a speed bag, an X-Sonic Super Speed Bag swivel, and a hand pump with a needle for easy inflation. We stand by our product with a 1-year free replacement on the speed bag. If you encounter any issues, please don't hesitate to contact us for support. For secure mounting, we recommend using lag bolts on wood stud walls or masonry anchors on concrete walls. Ensure you use bolts of 5/16 or 3/8 size, at least 4 inches long. What we like. Elevate your home boxing training with this heavy-duty speed bag platform. If you are a boxing or fitness enthusiast looking to improve your speed and accuracy, this equipment is ideal. Its professional design and adjustable height cater to individual training needs for an effective workout. What people say. The speed bag is well constructed and durable. It has a good rebound and is responsive to punches. The size is perfect for developing speed and accuracy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.